In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your iPhone stuck in recovery mode. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, there is a few common reasons this does happen. Firstly, it could be because of a failed or corrupted iOS update. It could also be related to jailbreak related issues or even hardware damage, but this is going to be several proven methods to get your iPhone working again. The first thing we're going to try is force restarting your phone. You can do this by pressing and releasing the volume up button, then pressing and releasing the volume down button, and then pressing and holding that side button until that Apple logo does appear. You do have to do this pretty quickly, but just release when the Apple logo does appear, and if your iPhone boots normally, you are done. If not, you're going to want to use iTunes or Finder on a different device, whether it's on Windows, which you'll use iTunes for, or if you're on Mac, use Finder. But essentially connect that phone using a MFI certified cable, so just like a charging cable to your device. And you're going to see two options here. You can update it, which is going to keep your data, so I recommend trying that first, or you can use restore, which is going to wipe your data. You may need a backup in order to recover your info. But if you don't have a backup and you do want to save your data, I recommend trying the next method, which is going to be using a professional repair tool. If iTunes does give you errors or you just can't restore, I recommend using something like iMyFone Fix PPO. This works on Mac and Windows, and it can exit recovery mode with just one click. It even has a higher success rate than iTunes, so I recommend installing it, connecting your phone, and then choosing enter/exit recovery mode, which is a free feature, by the way. And if needed, you can use standard repair to fix system issues. However, that is a paid feature. But if everything else fails, your phone probably has internal damage. This could be caused by dropping your phone, water damage, or even a defective motherboard. At this point, just contact Apple support. And if your iPhone is still under warranty, repairs may be free. But yeah, if you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.